Okay, so we're welding in a new arch. Oopsie. Oh, I nearly fell over the chair. Over here, and the rotten stuff underneath. Then we're going to weld it on the edge, fill up all the holes, and it should look quite nice. Hopefully, clean up this mess here. The rubbish. That's the hose it's done here. So new plate in, cut off, and then filled, and that back fender should look much better. More grinding. Out of that mess.
Don't wear a mask, you know. I'm going to take a video.
We've got to take a mask out. Okay, oh, there we go. Are you going to fill a bit now?
I'm not done.
Oh, okay.
We need to pre-feed the fender before we start.
Yeah, I know. So we need to make sure it doesn't rust there. But anyway, that's all a bit better stitched in now. Alright. Best we can do. So now filling and flattening and getting the shape nice. And we'll put some primer. The bottom there. Do you know what I thought of? Don't take that bottom off yet. Let's see how that thing fits, because we've got to pre-drill the holes, and we need that in position.
Yeah, that's why I like
it. So we leave that till last, the bottom section. Now let's just see how the lines start looking. And then I think we need to get these semaphores to see how they fit as well. So Gianna must bring those.
Yeah.
No? Yeah. Cool, man. Alright, so the fender is coming on, a bit of primer on it, and it'll look a million times better than what it did. There we go. Fuck, the Jag's still getting off spray on it, my other one. Should have put the fan on here, man.
Well, look at the fan to work, you're going to work with it.
Better. We still need to fill a bit underneath there though, eh? There you are. A bit more filling, fine filling. Just we don't want shit to rust. Let's go quickly so the neighbors doesn't complain. Don't let it run. And we welded in a really nice bracket in the corner here. So it's going to give that all a lot more strength. Oh yeah. Got this car covered up so we don't get off spray on it. But it's still fucking messy job, this terror is a mess. There we go. Okay, just stop for a minute, Gerald, please. There's too much off spray. Just stop for a minute. Let this off spray disappear. I don't want shit with the neighbors. And it's going all over my Jag over there. Lucky Stan's gonna wash it now. Doing more prep work, more flattening and grinding inside the fender. And we prime it again. Then welding new bits in here as well to give it strength again. Now it's all looking a bit better from this to that, from that to this actually. And where's our main man welding some more. All the welding will take a lot of time. And there we go. Are you going to put some primer on there now? I think you should, just a little bit, eh?
Yeah.
Just hand paint the primer on for now.
You put filler first.
Oh, you want to fill first?
Then we can prime.
Do you want to fill it now?
Yeah.
Just a little bit, yeah. Okay,
We
cool.
can rub tomorrow.
So then you're going to rub tomorrow, and then let's go as far as we can with the side, eh? Shit. Yo, a lot of work. Oh yeah, and we fitted this thing up so long. Guess we still have to work on that side some more. So, have to work on these gaps. But not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad. So yeah. Looking cool, looking cool, looking cool. I have to get lots more body filler. How much we still got left?
Oh, still have. Oh.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to get some more for next week. For the other side. Yeah. Fender's off now because we have to do underneath the fender there. So yeah, cool man. Right, I know we're harping on this, but it's still a lot of work. We had to knock this in. Check everything, then fill it again. Going on down here. This is all going to be filled and finished by today. Fix the welding, fix the arches. And this also welded the holes. There's still a bit of lead there, hey Gerald? So we're gotta fill that. Okay. More cleaning. Getting this thing ready to be primed, getting rid of all the dust. So it's going to look a little bit better after all of this. It's filled. Down here we cleaned up all these welds. So yeah, it's just to get stuff on here so that it's protected. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so hell of a messy job this. Hell of a messy. But it is what it is. So now that's all nicely prepped. And we can put some primer on here. And fit the fenders again and see how it looks. So yeah. Okay, so getting ready to prime. Go over all the raw pieces first. Gerald, go into all the raw pieces first. Shitload of work to get it to this, and we still got to do fine work afterwards. Microfine it, prime it again, build it up with primer because it's much cheaper than using paint. And yeah. Okay, give it a minute, Gerald. There's too much. Just wait. Just now the neighbor complains again. Just give it a minute. That's why I thought we should rather put the fan on, huh?
Power is gonna go on now.
Yeah, I know. It's a bit thin, eh? Just put rather thin coats. Don't want it to run. It's gonna look a lot better now. Much better. Down the bottom there where it's raw, go over all the raw stuff. I don't want shit from the neighbors. Looking better. Go underneath, yeah, underneath. Okay, right, let's go into the fender. Going to look much better. Much better. Go to wherever it's raw. Go more here where it's raw still. Don't waste the paint. So we'll have one side in primer now. Okay, that's cool. Now we can pre-fit the fender. No, it's fine. Leave it like that. It's cool. It's not waste too much. Only if it gets wet there. So yeah. Look a lot better. Look a lot better. And all this patching here. Another story. It'll all clean up nicely.